What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another one of my boring videos. Today there's something going on in the garage. Oh, I'm watching a show. Yeah, so today we actually have we're gonna start getting the GTR up in the air, and we're gonna start working on these couple parts. So yeah, this is what I do when I watch when I'm out here by myself. So let me just mute this right quick, and we'll get started here. All right, so it's a doom and gloom day, another one. But as you saw from my last video, I have a bunch of stuff just laying around, and today we're actually gonna we're gonna start the first one. Hopefully we can actually see where we can kind of go with the intercooler. So I need to get the front bumper off, I need to get this thing in the air, and I need to get that lip off, man, because that thing needs to get painted along with my side skirt extensions. So that's something I definitely want to do today. So yeah, let's get right into it. Ladies and gentlefolk, this is where I'm at right now. So I'm kind of struggling, but I don't want to do or break anything. Let's look underneath the car. Let's see what we're looking at here. So I know it's really dark, but yeah, all of these bolts here, they actually go to the lip. Like I said before, this is the for the brakes, the brake cooler. And I have all of these bolts that I have to really undo, and I snapped one of them, which is not really that big of a deal. Like I can just buy another seat clamp or whatever, so that's really not that big of a deal. But yeah, I have a bunch of bolts like lining the lip and the other side, so I think everything kind of comes off as one piece, which is fine. But yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit more time, so I'm going to let you guys just chill, relax, and I'll come back when I get it all off. All right, let's go. All right, people, so after a couple minutes here, sitting here watching my stuff, I did get the lip off, and it's almost kind of sad because there was a couple broken tabs. So I got a broken tab here, here, and here. So thankfully, like, I have two intact, and then I have a whole bunch on the sides, so which is still good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to have, like, whoever's gonna be painting this, I'm gonna try to get them to actually like plastic weld or do something so that this thing will stay. I don't know if it's really gonna help, but I don't know. I'm gonna try. But it looks so weird without a lip, so weird. But I'm gonna keep plugging away, and I'll just update you guys whenever I get the front bumper off. Let's go. All right, we get into the meat and potatoes of this thing. Look at, you know what's crazy is that this stock front mount is actually pretty, well, I thought it was pretty big. It's really not that big. It's probably about like 2 inches or so. So the hard part is completed. Look at this. I didn't know that they had the things like built into the crash bar here. I didn't know that. The Nismo like cooling ducts or whatever. I'm not really a big fan of it, so I'll never really get it, but it's cool to know that they're actually there. That's pretty cool. Something else cool for my non-GTR YouTube subscribers. These things got 2 blow-off valves. Look at this. This is just insane. 2 blow-off valves? It's crazy. Like, I actually kind of like it. For my OG subscribers, they probably do know things come with Brembos. And look at the Cusco. It is Cusco. Coilovers, man. They are so, like, they're such in good shape. I mean, I don't really drive the car very often, but it looks like it's in really good shape. So, and I got a lot of pad left too. Look at that. Lots. But oh man, just look at how like gorgeous this is. Like, it looks like it's starting to get a little surface rust, so I might just throw some penetrating oil or something like that on there just to kind of make sure it doesn't like rust to death. But other than that, like, it looks like it's in pretty good shape, everything down here. Like, it's really, really good. Like, some of these pipes are super hard, but yeah. Other than that, like, oh, this is the, I think this is for the blow-off valve tube here, because it's like a recirculating thing. So, all right, so on to the big business. Let's get this front mount off, and let's get the new one on, huh? What did you think of that, everybody? You think I just ruined my front mount intercooler? It's fine. It's fine. It's the stock one, so it's no big deal. All right, let's look at the new bad boy. All right, let's do a size comparison here. All right. I'm very sorry about that quick cutoff, but quick comparison between the two here. The stock one, which I kind of dropped, but whatever. It is what it is. It didn't go very far. And I don't know. What do you think? This is probably, I don't know. I got to get a tape measure, but it doesn't really matter. That's probably like 2 inches thick, as opposed to this core here, which is probably like 3 to 3.5 inch core. So really nice piece by Plazmaman. Like, really, really, really nice piece. So it's a Pro Series, which I don't know what that really means, but you know, should help out like cooling this car a little bit, and it'll look badass. So I want all you guys to subscribe, and let me know if I should keep this gate, this front grille. I think I'm gonna delete it because it would look so badass. But yeah, let's get to putting this bad boy on, which is really not going to be that big of a deal. Get that on and possibly get some new clamps, because those clamps are worn. You see them? Like, oh Jesus, look at it. Wow. And they're worm clamps, so got to get rid of worm clamps whenever you're boosting cars. So whatever, on to the next one. But let's get this bad boy in, and let's get it rocking. So after about, I don't know, 20 minutes, half hour of playing with this thing, I finally got it to fit the way it's supposed to fit, so which is really good. I had some issues like getting the rubber grommets up here for the front mount, because the rubber grommets go up in, and then there's 2 bolts down at the bottom here. There was supposed to be a 3rd bolt, but you know, this front mount doesn't have it because it's just that thick. But yeah, so obviously you can tell I don't have any, you know, T-bolt clamps here. I do not have any that big, so I have to run to the store. Probably tomorrow I'll probably go out to the store or whatnot and get some 3-inch T-bolt clamps for that. And yeah, this project will be kind of complete. I need to actually get, like I said before, get the front lip and all of my side skirt extensions and stuff like that onto in the truck and get it to a painter so that I can get those things done. So yeah, I did have a little bit of an issue with my aftermarket horns, which is it's not that big of a deal. So I'm not like, it's not too terrible. I might just have to relocate those a little bit because of the thicker core. It sat down a little bit into the to where the intercooler sat. But other than that, it really isn't like a bad look. I just got to put the well, not hella horns, but the 2 horns back on, and I should be straight. So yeah, it really wasn't a how-to video. It was just more of a, yeah, I'm trying to get this bad boy done. So like I said before, let me know in the comments below if you want me to actually you know, keep this mesh grill off the car, because I'm thinking that I probably am, because this thing looks just fantastic. It looks fantastic. But yeah, I don't know. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. We will be back at it again with the GTR or the Evo, because I have a couple little stupid things I gotta worry about with that. But yeah, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, hit the bell for notifications and give me a thumbs up maybe, and maybe think about sharing if you actually liked it. But if not, I'll see you on the next one. All right, deuces.